කැඳ බීලද ඉන්නේ?
For years, this Sri Lankan idiom carried a negative meaning in people's minds. Drinking kantha was seen as weak, tired, almost down. Our campaign flipped that, making kantha refreshing, energizing, and proudly embraced.
උදේම හොඳට බොණ්ඩ වගේ යන්නේ.
කැඳ එකක් බිව්වම හොඳයි නුදේම.
ගෙදර හදාගන්න බැරිද?
කරදරයිනේ.
That's exactly the hassle that the Sarah Kolakantha is here to solve. It was when awareness dropped and the product was about to be delisted that we thought, no, we can change this. Using a well-known Sri Lankan phrase in a completely new way, we've taken Hondata Bonapurudha and given it its literal meaning, actually drinking well, making it the heart of our campaign.
හොඳට බොන පුරුද්ද වෙනස් කරමු.
Instead of making false promises, we decided to tell the truth. Even though we said that, it wasn't easy to change it, which is why we got these guys used to drinking well too.
We are great fans of Kolakanda and CBL Sarah. I got a lot of this at home. I've been using this for 6, 7, 8 years and I think it's really great. It's simply the thing we must have after a walk. It gives so much energy, it tastes so good and it's really good for the health.
We didn't just talk the talk. To spread the habit of drinking well, we went around gathering real stories and sharing them as social buzz.
Sarah Kolakanda makes it so much easier for me to get a nutritious start to the day quickly and conveniently.
It's really only the good stuff. They have 5 variants of the Sarah Kolakanda, so try them out and let me know which one is your favorite.
මම මේ කැඳ එක ගත්ත ගමන්ම මේ රසයෙන්ම කිව්ව මේ කෘතිම නෙවෙයි ස්වාභාවික රසයක් තියෙන නියම කැඳ ප්‍රොඩක්ෂන් එකක් කියලා. ඉතින් මම බොහොම ආසාවෙන් මේක බොනවා.
සතුටුයි මෙතෙන්ට ඇවිල්ලා අපිට මේ විදිහේ කොළ කැඳ එකක් දීලා සේර ප්‍රොඩක්ට් එකක් රස විඳින්න හම්බෙච්ච එක ගැන.
හොඳට බොන පුරුද්ද අස් කරන්න වගේ යන්නේ.
Although we thought it wouldn't be easy to change the habit of healthy drinking, it wasn't impossible to do either. To take it from Kanda Bila the Inne to Honda de Bonapurudha Venaskaramu, we crafted easy, authentic social media content. To show how much people successfully changed the habit of drinking well, eventually the supply wasn't even enough to meet the demand.
සේර කොළ කැඳ පැකට් නැද්ද?
බඩු ඉවරද සර්?
Because we did sampling along with in-store activations, many people changed their own habit of healthy drinking with Sera Kolakanda.
කැඳ බොන්නද යන්නේ?
හොඳට බොන පුරුද්ද වෙනස් කරන්න යන්න.
So, shall we join in to change the habit of drinking well?